Welcome to United by Trucks, and today, well, we're going to be celebrating something cool coming up. It's almost the 1-year anniversary of United by Trucks on YouTube. It just so happens the channel's 1-year anniversary falls on Thanksgiving this Thursday, November 28th. So we're really pumped about that. But in celebration of our 1-year anniversary and our almost hitting 30,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway here on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to pick 3 UBT community members to win something special. So all we need you to do is comment down below with your favorite episode from United by Trucks YouTube channel. It's that simple. Just comment down below what your favorite episode of UBT was over the last year. And essentially, we're gonna pick from the comments on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram 3 winners. So the number 2 and number 3 winners will receive a $50 gift certificate to the United by Trucks website. So you can pick out any of that UBT merch you've been waiting to get, and we do have a new shipment coming in here pretty soon. But the number 1 winner, first guy or gal, will receive a $75 gift certificate to UBT and one of these really cool UBT stencils that Mike Howe of How's It Doing Garage made. Hold on just a second, I'm gonna go grab one. All right guys, so we're kind of running out of light here, but you can see this is one of the new United by Trucks stencils made by How's It Doing Garage by Mike Howe, who's working on UBTK5 for us. And all it is a piece of metal with United by Trucks cut out in it. So as you can see, it's got the letters cut out and a piece of, I don't know, thin gauge metal. But that can be used to hang in your shop. It can be used to stencil your favorite, I don't know, toolbox, cooler, wall, anything you want to put United by Trucks on. So this is for the hardcore members of the UBT community. If you're hardcore, you love what we stand for, definitely enter into this giveaway. So as you can see, it's actually getting a little dark on me here now after work, but we're really excited about the 1-year anniversary coinciding with almost 30,000 subscribers on the channel. We're really pumped about the community we built over the last year, and we want to keep it going into our 2nd year, into 2020. We have a really exciting schedule coming up next year, and we're going to be releasing what that looks like as we get into 2020. But we really want to say thank you to you all, the UBT community members, for sticking with us, watching the content, sharing the videos, liking us on Instagram, liking us on Facebook, and just following along and being a part of the UBT community. So thank you very much. Again, all you got to do to enter the giveaway is comment down below your favorite episode of United by Trucks and share this video. That's all you got to do. So we'll be picking from the commenters on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So with that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Definitely smash a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite episode is of United by Trucks over the last year. We appreciate it, guys. Talk to you soon. Cue the music.